to subtraction.
Hello friends, I am the parrot. Welcome to this topic. Come on, let's see what you will learn in this lesson. How does the number of any object decrease by subtraction? And how to do subtraction of one-digit numbers. Today Chotu had gone to the market with his mother. He bought 4 laddus for himself from the market.
Mummy, I am very hungry.
Eat 1 laddu out of the 4 laddus you bought from the market.
Okay, Mummy.
So how many laddus are left for Pinky?
There are 3 laddus left for Pinky. But Mummy, I am still very hungry. Can I have 1 more laddu?
Yes, dear. Now how many laddus are left for Pinky?
There are 2 laddus left for Pinky.
Very good, Chotu. Come on now, eat remaining laddus with Pinky.
So children, first Chotu had 4 laddus with him. Then he ate 1. So there were 3 left. But then out of the 3 laddus, he ate 1 more laddu. So then there were just 2 more laddus left with him. In this way, the number of laddus kept decreasing. On reaching home, Chotu goes to the garden to play with Pinky. He sees some pigeons over there.
See, Pinky, those 5 pigeons are sitting on the clothes that have been put out for drying. They will spoil the clothes. Let's fly them away. Okay, Chotu.
Chotu and Pinky then waved their hands towards the pigeons, and 2 pigeons flew away.
Look, Pinky, 2 pigeons flew away. How many pigeons are left now? Out of 5 pigeons, 2 pigeons flew away. So there are 3 pigeons left. Come on, let's fly the rest of the pigeons away.
Chotu and Pinky once again waved their hands towards the pigeons, and this time all the pigeons flew away.
Yay! Out of the 3 pigeons, all 3 flew away. So now 0 pigeons are left. That is, not even a single pigeon is left. Come on, let's play now.
So children, you saw how the number of pigeons kept on decreasing. In this way, if we take away some objects from a group of objects, then the number of that object decreases. So do you know what actually this method is called? This method is called subtraction. In this process, we generally subtract a smaller number from the bigger number. That's all for today. In this video, we learned how does the number of objects decrease by subtraction. In the next video, we will see some more interesting examples of subtraction. Till then, bye friends.
Interesting examples of subtraction part 1.
So kids, in the previous video you learned how does the number of objects decrease by subtraction. In this video, we will see some interesting examples of subtraction of one-digit numbers. Chotu's summer vacation is going on. It is daytime now, and he feels like drinking lemonade.
Mummy, I feel like drinking lemonade. Will you please make it for me?
Yes, my son. Go get some lemons from the fridge.
Okay, Mummy, I'll get it just now.
Then Chotu goes to get some lemons from the fridge.
Oh, I did not ask Mummy how many lemons are required. No problem. I will take all the lemons.
Then Chotu takes all the lemons and goes back to his mother.
Take this, Mummy. How many lemons do you need to make 1 glass lemonade?
Oh, Chotu, you got 6 lemons. I just need 1 lemon. Thank you. Now please keep the remaining lemons back inside the fridge.
So children, can you tell me that how many lemons did Chotu keep back in the fridge? Come on, let's see. If out of the 6 lemons, Chotu's mother took 1 lemon, so now there are 5 lemons left. So friends, did you see how after reducing, that is subtracting 1 lemon from 6 lemons, there were 5 lemons left? It is evening time and Chotu and Pinky are playing with 5 of their friends in the park. So children, can you tell me how many children are playing in total? Yes, 5 and 2, that means 7 children. Chotu and Pinky's mother comes to take them home.
Chotu and Pinky, come, let's go home quickly. Uncle has come to meet you.
Oh, okay. Let's go, Mummy. Bye, friends. Bye, friends.
Pinky and Chotu go back home with their mother. Now can you tell me how many children are left in the park? Come on, let's see. Out of 7 children, 2 children went away. So there are 5 children left. You had the same answer, right? Very good. That is all for today. In this video, we learned how to subtract one number from another number. In the next video, we will see some more interesting examples. Till then, bye friends.
Examples of subtraction part 2.
So children, in the previous video you learned how to subtract one number from another number. In this video we will see some interesting examples of subtraction of one-digit numbers. Chotu, Pinky and their friends have decided to donate their old books. Chotu and Pinky are taking out their old books.
Pinky, how many old books do you have? Chotu, I have 5 old books and I don't need them anymore. I will give all of them away. How many books do you have? I have only 2 books with me and I don't read them anymore. You have more books than me. Yes, Chotu, but it's okay. You give as many books as you have. That's okay, Pinky. But how many more books do you have than me? I have 5 books with me and you have 2 books. So, I have 7 more books than you. No, Pinky. You have added 5 and 2. Instead, you had to tell me how much more is 5 than 2. Chotu, I didn't understand. That's okay, Pinky. Let me explain it to you. You have 5 books and I have 2. So if we subtract 2 from 5, then there will be 3 left. This means you have 3 more books than me. Did you understand? Yes. Now let's quickly go and donate these books.
So children, can you also find the difference between two numbers in this way? Come on, let's see. Neha has 6 toys and Sonu has 4 toys. Now can you all tell me who has more toys? Yes, Neha has more toys. But how many more? To find this out, we will have to subtract the number of toys Sonu has from the number of toys Neha has. So on subtracting 4 from 6, we are left with 2.
Neha has 2 more toys than Sonu.
Come on, let us see another similar example.
The fat monkey has 8 bananas and the thin monkey has 3 bananas. So who has more bananas? Yes, the fat monkey has more bananas. And how many more? To find this out, we will have to subtract the number of bananas that thin monkey has from the number of bananas fat monkey has. So on subtracting 3 from 8, we are left with 5. So the fat monkey has 5 more bananas than the thin monkey.
Understood? So that was all for today. In these videos, we learned how to subtract one number from another number. Bye, friends.